A man who spent the last 16 years on death row after being convicted of murdering a child got another win today.
Today, a Hamilton County judge ruled Lamont Hunter can be released on bond while he awaits a new trial. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson is live outside the Justice Center downtown to explain it all and how it went down. Karen.
Well, good evening, Stephen. Prosecutors had fought this move, saying Lamont Hunter should be held without bond while he waits for a new trial. But the defense said he is now considered innocent until proven guilty, and he should be given a bond. Well, today the judge sided with the defense, and we also learned in court the victim's mother also supports Hunter. He was known as the little boy with big brown eyes. Trustin Blue was just 3 years old when he died from a head injury in 2006. The following year, Trustin's mother's boyfriend, Lamont Hunter, was convicted of rape and murder and sentenced to death.
And he comes to the court today with 6,352 days in jail.
Defense attorneys argued Hunter should be allowed to post bond and be released from jail while he awaits a new trial. After the judge agreed, prosecutors argued for a high bond.
This is aggravated murder and rape of a child that I think a $2 million straight bond would be appropriate.
The defense fought that also and said Hunter even has support from Trustin's mother. Attorney Marcus Sadati read a statement from her.
We as a family have suffered tremendously, especially Lamont. My heart grieves for him and his 6 children that have been robbed of their dad for so many years. We can never get back the years we have lost, the damage that has been done. People's lives mattered, and we are the people. Our lives matter. Our kids' lives matter. 17 years of our lives have already been stolen.
Hunter's conviction was recently tossed out after federal public defenders uncovered new evidence that caused a deputy coroner to change her opinion from homicide to an undetermined death. New evidence includes a photo of the stairwell Hunter claimed Trustin fell down. A doctor testified Trustin's injuries could have been from a fall down the steps. As for the theory the toddler was raped with a sharp object, the defense says other new evidence shows injuries could have been accidentally caused by hospital staff trying to take Trustin's temperature. And this afternoon, Judge Christian Jenkins set Hunter's bond at $500,000. He is allowed to post 10%, and if he does and he gets out, he will be required to wear an electric monitoring bracelet. He will also be on 100% lockdown at his mother's house, and he cannot have any contact with children. Reporting live tonight downtown, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Karen, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Hunter's family was in the courtroom. They declined to do an interview, but his sister told Karen it's been too long. He gets to be at home to touch his mama.